On this episode, making the mighty oak mallet. Hello folks. Well, recently I did a video, my absolute must-have top 10 hand tools, and coming in at number 1 was the mallet. This is a tool that I think every woodworker absolutely has to have in their shop. And I think I mentioned at the end of the video that I would be showing you how to make one in the near future. Well, here we are. But me being who I am, I hate doing the same thing twice. So I decided I was going to make another mallet and I was going to dress it up a little bit. Now I had some white oak and I decided to do a little turning on the handle, some carving, and the handle goes through the head and it's held in by some wedges. Now this is one of those fast-paced videos, but if you're interested in a solid woodworking lesson, stay tuned because I'll tell you more about that at the end of the video. Okay, until then, cue that dance music. Now the next clip, I actually forgot to turn the camera on, and what it was is I had a couple of wedges cut at 3 degrees that I drived into the top with some glue. So we'll pick it up from that point. So that's my video on the mighty oak mallet. Now, I know some of you watching it are probably going, hey Chad, what's the angle of the face of the mallet head that you cut it with the saw? Well, that all depends on the individual. So for those who want a good woodworking lesson, in the description below is an unlisted video that will answer that, and I'll describe to you the difference between fast and slow grown wood, which one is better for your mallet. Of course, as always, you can sign up for the free newsletter in the link below. It comes out monthly. The next one will be June 11th, and I should have plans available for this mallet in that newsletter. However, if you sign up after June 11th, the newsletter is gone, so sign up today. And of course, if you have questions on a woodworking project you are doing, feel free to email me at woodchoppingtime@gmail.com. I will do my best to get you some answers, because after all, it's my goal to make you a better woodworker. Until next time, thanks for watching and keep on dancing.